Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your Asana account. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your Asana dashboard. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and then click on your profile. Just click on it and go ahead and locate settings. Okay. Click on settings. Now, once this page loads, go ahead and go to these tabs right here at the top. All right. And go ahead and look for account. Okay. Just click on it and go ahead and scroll down. As you can see here, we have two options. First one is deactivation. And the second one is deletion. Deactivation right here removes access to all organization of workspace in Asana. Okay, if you just want to deactivate your account, go ahead and click on deactivate account button right here. Now, if you're really sure that you wanted to delete your Asana account, in here under deletion, just click on delete my account and there will be a pop-up. This action will result in the immediate loss of access to Asana and the permanent removal of your account data across all workspaces or organizations you are associated with. And there will be no option for recovery. All right. Again, if you're really sure, just click on the blue button that says continue with deletion. And after that, you'll be logged out and you can't log in with the same exact email. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.